Hey guys, welcome to another video. Josh here. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be looking at something super cool, guys. On this channel, I love blue light glasses. I speak about them all the time. I've reviewed a couple of them, and I just can't get enough of blue light glasses. I feel like I'm on a constant journey to find the perfect pair of blue light glasses, and I've seen different types, tried different ones off of Amazon, Instagram, etc. But today, the guys over at Epoptique, a very cool blue light blocking glasses company, they've been so kind as to send me two pairs to review and unbox today. And not just that, they've done something incredibly cool for the audience as well. So they've given me a promo code Josh15, so that's Josh15, for 15% off. Details are in the description below, so guys, make sure you take advantage of that. Many thanks to the guys at Epoptique. That's super cool of them. And just a quick disclaimer on this. Unlike other blue light companies I've come across, these guys don't actually drop ship. Now, what's drop shipping? Drop shipping is when you buy something from like a no-name Chinese company and then resell it with your own brand on it. Now, these guys actually hand make their own glasses, which is super cool, and they do prescription glasses as well. So yeah, guys, they've got everything. So this is going to be very interesting. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, so the glasses come in this cool package. It's got the Epoptique sort of eye icon and a very cool sort of joke. This package is happy to see you. Get it, guys? Because they're glasses. Anyway, it's fantastic. So inside the box we've got the two pairs of glasses. Let's take them one after the other, shall we? So we've got this very nice elegant minimalist case, which I like. It's all black, and it's got just sort of that single statement, clear vision. It's got the Epoptique logo and their single logo right at the front, and sort of their socials and everything like that. And yeah, it's very nice. Inside the box, what do you get? So we have the glasses case, which is the usual sort of hard regular case. I like this. A lot of blue light glasses don't give you this. They give you a softer case, which may not necessarily protect your glasses from harder drops, and it's got a nice microfiber cleaning cloth in there. So yeah, this is really nice. I like when glasses give you this. That's very useful. Would protect your glasses long term. And the same for the other pair, sort of the standard glasses case in there as well. So let's see the first pair of glasses. Ta-da! Let's just get that to focus. These are their bowl style glasses. Very nice, combination of metal and plastic. So I really like this style because the stem of the glasses is in plastic, so it's not so uncomfortable to wear for longer periods. And then the front is metal, which gives you a more professional, more stylish look, in my opinion. Of course, it's all style is essentially all preference. The guys at Epoptique were very kind to add my prescriptions onto this as well. So yeah, very fantastic. This is really nice. And in the second case, we have the other pair of glasses, which is the black case. Let's just get that to focus. Yeah, there we go. This is the black style of the Epoptique glasses. You can find that on their website as well. It's the black 2-in-1 style, and this is probably my favorite thing about the glasses. Is of course their standard sort of blue light blocking glasses, but they've got this cool innovative magnetic clip-on. Look at that, guys. You can't actually even tell there's any clip-on. It feels like they are proper sunglasses. And this is a big advantage over other competitors, because I really think this is very stylish. I'll show you what I mean. Look at this. You can barely tell I've got clip-ons on, and I can just take it off like that, and it's just the blue light glasses, and then put it back on. That is super cool. Like, this is incredible. They've done something amazing there. Like, that is brilliant. And just take that off. And like that, you're going out with your friends, you're in the sun, you're talking, you're chatting, and then you get back inside, just pull them off. That is brilliant. That is absolutely brilliant. I think they win on this alone. That is a very clever. Whoever designed these glasses needs to get a promotion, needs to get a raise. That was incredible. That is absolutely genius what they've done with this. I really like that, because one complaint I had about sort of other blue light glasses is that with their clip-ons, they have sort of these metal edges that would sort of clamp onto the glasses, and it was really obvious that you had something clipped onto your face. But with this, it literally feels like it was made as part of the glasses, which is the intention, right? It's a two-in-one sort of pair, and of course this is polarized, so it comes with all that UV blocking, etc, etc. So it's very cool. I think they've done something incredible here, guys. This is amazing. I can't rave about this enough. This is amazing. Yeah, so and one of the things to add about them is I've actually worn them for a bit, so the prescriptions do work. They're solid. The blue light blocking does actually work. I can confirm that. And of course, I'll be doing a blue light test with the blue light torch sort of at the end of this video, so you can stick around to see that as well, so you see in action. Yeah, no, I'm really impressed. This is amazing. Like, what they've done here, in my opinion, wins big, because guys, I'll be serious, right? With blue light glasses, you've got to consider a number of things. Number one, you don't want glasses that have that heavy yellow tint, which they don't. There's no, you can see this up close. There's no real tint to it. There's no real yellow tint to it. You can see it's very clear lens, which is good. That's the first marker, and then it's got a decent frame. It's lightweight, feels good on your face. Yeah, I love this. Stylish. And with the clip-on technology that they've added, the magnetic clip-ons, this brings it to the next level, because they retain this style, and it's not obvious that there's anything on it. So I know I'm going on about this, but this is amazing. This is so brilliant. I can't believe no one else is doing this. This is incredible. This is so good. And of course, the second pair, which I really like this style as well, the bowl style. Sort of the metal frame in the front and then plastic on the side, so it's very comfortable on my face. At the same time, it has that, it comes with the stylishness that metal glasses give you. So very cool glasses. And guys, on their website, they've got all sorts of styles. So I encourage you to go check them out and see which ones you like. And it ranges in prices as well, from as little as $35 all the way up. The higher you go, the better you get, etc. And but yeah, no, these guys, they're solid. The build quality of both of them, very solid. They don't feel too heavy. At the same time, they feel well built, so I really like that. I'll just talk about the bowl glasses for a bit. Very strong. So I'm going to get this to focus, so you can see the handles of the glasses. So very strong, very well built. They can sort of bend to accommodate any sort of face size, which I like. And yeah, they feel very premium. They feel nicely built. And then with the black glasses, the black style glasses, same thing. They're fully plastic, but that's the point. They're meant to be more lightweight, easier to wear for long periods of time, because you're meant to be using this on your computer, right? So you'll be sat at your computer, say at work, from like 9 a.m. to 6 p.m, 6:30 p.m. You get home, you need to check your personal email, or catch up on TV shows, etc. You wear this, block out that blue light, and it's very comfortable to wear all day round. That's the point. And of course, if you get them with your prescription, you can actually just wear them all day round, because they're very comfortable. They're lightweight. Even with the clip-on, I can barely feel any difference in weight, because they're so light and so well made. It's hard to explain. They're so light, at the same time they feel properly built. Like, it doesn't feel cheap, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to sort of show you guys over here. Let me just get this to focus. Yeah, there we go. So you can sort of see the sides as well. So yeah, now this is very cool. I can't stop talking about this. This is amazing. So again, feels very nice on my face. It doesn't hurt the sides of my head. And if I need to go out, it's a nice day outside, the sun's out, and I just want to have some fun or enjoy a walk or something, bang. Oh, this is awesome. This is awesome. Don't forget, guys, Josh15 for 15% off. Link in the description below. I'm going to be doing the blue light test now, so stick around. Let's actually see how this holds up against actual blue light. Let's go. All right, so I'm going to take the glass, the card, and shine the light on it. There we go. And look at that, guys. It turns blue. Can you see that? So that shows me that the test is working correctly. So we're just going to wait for this to clear off, and then we're going to test the glasses. Okay, so as you can see, the card has reset, so it's back to being all white, and we're going to test with the glasses now to see if they block the blue light. So I'll put the lens sort of in front of it, and we'll just shine it through, if that's okay. Let's just get that aligned. One moment. Right, much better. Right, so I'll just sort of try and get that over there on the other side, just shining the light. Don't worry, I'll play some elevator music over this part, and done. Right, now guys, I'm going to show you the results. Can you see that, guys? Not even a tiny blue spot. This blocked 100% of the blue light. Look at that, guys. 100% of blue light blocked. That is incredible stuff. Very, very cool, guys. So yeah, as I told you before, the glasses do work. So save your eyes, save the headaches, save the eye strain, and get yourself a pair of these. I'm so pleased these glasses work. You know, like we just did the blue light test, and they block 100% of blue light, which is fantastic. You know, it's some glasses, they block some 90%, 80%, 70%, but this blocks all of it. So that's incredible. It's incredible that it works. I'm really happy with this. They feel good. They look good. And of course, I mean, come on, this has to be the coolest thing I've seen all year. And I've watched all the Apple events, so I mean, that's a lot of cool stuff, but this is so cool. This is so clever. It's so simple, and it just works. I mean, just you're going out, you just slap that one. It's incredible stuff. Yeah, guys, so just a couple of quick things about the Epoptique glasses. So they do have free shipping on these glasses on orders over $150. Otherwise, it's DHL Express at $29 for shipping. For your prescription, it's $20. You can do that on the website or contact them through their email, which will be in the description below as well. And guys, don't forget to use the promo code Josh15 to get 15% off your glasses. Guys, I think these are the new king, because for cost value, I mean, you can't beat this. They're fairly priced, they're stylish, they work well, and they've got the coolest clip-ons that I've ever seen. This is incredible stuff. Yeah, so guys, give them a look. Websites in the description below. And guys, if you like this video, smash the like button. If you love this video, smash the subscribe button. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers, so thank you to everyone for supporting. Anyway, guys, that's been it. So please have a wonderful day, and of course, as usual, you know, I won't let you go without telling you to be fantastic. I'll see you around. Cheers.